Hey guys, alrighty, some of you will enjoy this. What you got here is brake drum does not come off. Took the bolt out, and it's locked up on it. It's been on there for too many years, just sitting. This is what happens. So I'm going to show you guys how to get those off. A lot of people get screwdrivers each side, and that sometimes works. It'll pop loose, and then you got it. Didn't work for me, so I've got this handy tool. I'll show you how to build it. It's got the bar and it's got the bolt in the middle. What you do is you put this thing on the side. It's got an adjustment band on it, and I'll explain it to you in case you don't have one or know one or don't know anything about it. You have to make sure this is even on each side. These little hooks right here hook right on this drum. There's a little area for a drum on drums. I don't know about all drums, but and then most all vehicles have a, hold on a second. There's a little hole in the middle of these things so that you can get it centered perfect when you pull this off. I'm gonna put this nut on. Sometimes it's a good idea to do that in case you slip, and you mess up your threads. We're just gonna try to get it broke loose anyway. We're not trying to take it off yet. All right. When you do a lot of old vehicles like me, you gotta have this. And you get it down here, and then once you get this centered, and this are centered on each, you gotta make sure these are centered on each side too. This will go down and hit the middle of that, like that. Now, you can go ahead and do it, but it's not really a good idea to do it without putting the strap on. It comes in the kit, the strap, because if you just get lazy about it and you don't use this strap, sometimes it can let go, and this can fly back and take all your teeth out. So if you're already missing all your teeth, I guess it don't matter. We all know where you're from if you're missing all your teeth. Okay, so anyway, no joke, all joking aside, I hope it doesn't prove me wrong. It don't work today. All right. Most of the time it works. Maybe not today. We'll find out here in a second. It popped. So it's trying to let go. What's happening is the shoes are welded on there. There. Ooh, maybe. Wow, that was really in there, huh? Something's holding it. Man almighty. She don't want to let go, does she? Really on there. Oh, mackerel. Usually, by now, this thing will come off. This one don't want to come off. Wants to fight. Whoa! Yeah, when you got spring parts flying out, you were really stuck in there. Once it gets loose, then it's loose. Then you got her. Oh, she looks like she's in bad shape in there. Let's take a look. Loosen this up. Take this out. Push this back on. So we can get that nut. Let's get this nut off here now while we're safe. Kind of hurts my fingers. Ugh. Crap. Come on, nut. I guess I could put a socket on that nut. What size is that? It's not going to be the same size as that. Hold on. Whew. That's easier. Let's see what she looks like. Wow! Jeez! Look at that. There's even spring parts in there. Gosh. And look at the dirt buildup in the bottom of that. Gee, Christmas. Yeah. So what I do is I buy the kits online. You get everything. You get all new springs, new adjuster. Because these adjusters, they don't wear out. But oh, another thing I can tell you too: if you have to reuse your adjuster, take it off. Take a, I don't know, like a mini torch if you got one, or a real torch. You put a little heat on this side, and then you can get this thing turning. And as you're turning it, put a little PB blaster in the threads as you're turning it while this is hot, and it'll instantly freeze right up and go back and forth and screw it. I've done a few of them like that. They're easy to do. Yeah. This is a disaster. Man. Absolute garbage. Okay. Don't want to lose that. And see, here's another thing too you want to get a hold of. When you buy a kit, they don't come with these. Okay? So, and over time they'll bend. See how bent that is? It's not straight across, so just lay it down, hammer it back straight across, so when you put it back on, it holds your springs nice. Don't lose these. Sucker flew out. Inspect them real good. Make sure there's no cracks in them too. This one's a little bent. Try to bend that back a little bit. Tap on it a little lightly. Sand these all down. Anyway, so I will do a video putting this back together, just to show you how it goes back together. Pretty simple. And anyway, if you need to know how to pull, you can get these things here online. I got this one on eBay. I don't know how much they are, I don't remember, but they're not that bad. If you do a lot of, I'll tell you what, if you can't get one off, you're going to wish you had that. You can rent them at parts stores in case you need to know that. Some parts stores, if they like you, they'll give it to you to take home and you bring it back. I had a parts store in Toledo, Oregon that used to do that. Wouldn't charge me. Anyway, I hope that helps someone. Have a nice day.